day, everyone. Today's lesson is all about the definition of quadratic equation. So first, what is quadratic equation? As we all know, quadratic equation is a second-degree equation wherein its general form is ax squared plus bx plus c, wherein x represents a variable and a, b, and c are the constant, where a must not be equal to 0. Okay? Hence, a is the quadratic coefficient, b is the linear coefficient, and c is the constant term in the quadratic equation. Let us remember the general form of the quadratic equation. So we have ax squared plus bx plus c. And as you can see, the highest exponent of this equation is 2. And that is the degree of the polynomial. 2, wherein it is the definition of the quadratic equation, a second-degree equation. So it means that if our given equation has an exponent greater than 2, then it is not a quadratic equation. You must remember that. Also, if the exponent of the given equation is lower than 2, then it is not a quadratic equation. So we have two kinds of quadratic equation. We have the complete quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So this is a complete quadratic equation wherein we have a, b, and c. And a here must not be equal to 0. Why? Dahil once na maging 0 yung a dito, hindi na yan quadratic equation. Okay? So, makakancel natin yung ating x squared, yung variable, then the exponent. Then, we have also the incomplete quadratic equation wherein we have ax squared plus bx equals 0. This example is an incomplete quadratic equation because it has no constant term. Also, we have ax squared plus c equals 0. Wherein wala tayo nung middle term, which is the bx or the linear coefficient na b. Also, we have ax squared equals 0, wherein ang wala sa atin dito ay yung b and yung c. As you can see, hindi dapat mawawala yung a doon sa ating equation because yung ax squared natin yung nagsasabi na ang ating equation is a quadratic equation. For our example, let us try to determine the values of a, b, and c in the following given. For our number 1, we have 3x squared plus 6. Okay, how can we determine the value of a, b, and c? Just by looking at the general form of the quadratic equation. So we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now, ano ba yung kalapit ng x squared? It is the a. Okay, therefore, our a here is yung number 3. So we have number 3 here. What about yung ating b? Yung ating b dito ay kalapit ng x, the variable x. Okay? Now, may nakikita ba kayong x dito? Wala. Therefore, our b here is 0. And for our constant, wala siyang kasamang variable. So, alin ba dito yung walang kasamang variable? That is the 6. Therefore, our c is 6. Now, we have our value of a, b, and c in the given equation 3x squared plus 6. For our number 2, 2x squared, automatically, kung ano yung kasama ng x squared, yun yung a. Okay? Then we have here 2. What about b? Okay, kasama siya ng x. Our b here is negative. Our b here is 5x, pero dahil nabago yung sign niya, minus 5x, kaya ang ating b is negative 5. So we have negative 5 here. Now, what about our c? Meron ba tayong c? Wala. Therefore, our c is 0. Okay? Now, let us have x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. Okay, look at the given x squared. Ano yung kasama ng x squared? 0 ba? No. Wala lang siyang nakalagay dyan, pero meron niyang value na 1. Therefore, our a is 1. And our b, positive x, may kasama yung x na 1. Kaya ang ating b here is 1. And for our letter c, negative 6. Okay, so we have negative 6. Let us have number 4. Okay, our given is 12x minus 9 plus 4x squared. Okay, hindi siya nakahanay, hindi ito nakahanay in the general form ax squared plus bx plus c. Kaya pwede natin muna siyang ihanay. Okay? So, ihanay natin, iwan natin yung a. So, we have 4x squared plus, why plus? Because 12x here is positive. Okay, so we have plus 12x minus 9 equals 0. So, ito yung pagkakahanay ng ating example number 4. Now, what is our letter A? It is 4. What is our letter B? It is 12. And our letter C is negative 9. Actually, pwede hindi na natin dito ihanay kasi given na naman na ang kasama ng x squared ay positive 4. Given na rin na ang kasama ng x ay 12. At given na din ang ating constant ay negative 9. Okay? And now let us have number 5. Okay, ganun din. Given na din, ang kasama ng x squared ay 2. Therefore, our letter A is 2. And our letter B is negative x here. So, what is our letter B? We have negative 1. Very good. And for our letter C, dahil hindi siya given, our letter C here is 0. Same as example number 6, we have negative 7, 4, and 2. For our example number 7, we have 4, kasi ng 4x squared, we have 5 and 0. And for example number 8, we have 7, 0, 0. Now, ano ba yung dapat nating tandaan in determining the value of A, B, and C? Considering na ang mga given natin is just a complete and incomplete quadratic equation. Paano kapag meron pang isa-solve? Okay? So our topic next time is solving the quadratic equation and making it into its general form. So that's all for today and thank you for listening. Bye!